Hello class, my name is Cody Winchie. I'd like to start by introducing myself. I'm Cody Winchie. I am in the class trying to get my associate's degree in fire science. I am doing for that why I think you should use that app speech, and I'm choosing Discord. Discord is a widely used app. It's very popular nowadays, especially by the younger generations. I use it uh, every single week. I use it to hang out with friends, to talk to friends. I use it on my computer mostly. I don't really use the phone app, but it is available on computers, your phone, your Apple, your Android, Google, all those phones. It's available even on gaming consoles to use. You can actively chat with, if you're playing on an Xbox, you can actively chat with somebody who's on a phone. You can actively talk or chat with somebody who's on a computer. It keeps everybody connected, and I love using it for that reason. I'll get to the reviews later, but I'll go ahead and show you how it works. Here I'm having it on my computer right here. And one example, these are all the servers I've joined. I keep up with like Pokemon Go stuff happening. I keep up with some Pokemon stuff that I'm interested in. Right here, for instance, you can change channels. These are all servers. These are all different servers that someone else has created or I've created. I've actually created this one called Take Mahomes. This one I've named Fantasy Football. I use it to keep up with all my friends that I play fantasy football with every year. It's easy to message everybody at once. If I type out a message like, "Hello everyone, I'm doing a school project and check out this message." Everybody in the chat will see that. Here's all the people that are visiting. It'll even show you when they pop online. So let's say Nathan or Jaden Makuta checks it out. You'll see him pop online, and that's how you know he's reading your message or whatever. And so I've actually made text channels. Well, welcome. This shows people that have joined. And this app is also free to download. This app is free to download for anybody. You can pay. There's like paid parts of it, but you absolutely do not have to pay for anything. I don't pay for anything. I love this app. I use it on a weekly basis. It's a great app to keep up with friends, to talk to people. So what I've done just now is I've actually joined a voice channel. So if one of my other friends that's online happens to click on this voice channel, they'll hear me, and I know they can hear me because this green bubble is popping up. Once this green bubble goes away, that means I'm not talking anymore. Easy to use, and whoever else wants to talk to you, all I have to do is click on it too. I can change channels to this channel, so you can have multiple chat rooms going at a time. You can even move people. If someone's AFK and you hear his dog barking in the background, you can move somebody to a different channel. It is very easy to use. Multiple people, a lot of people can be in the same channel at the same time, like same voice channel at the same time. I'm gonna disconnect for now just in case somebody joins on accident. And then I will show you this one for instance. My buddy uses this one. This is actually a way my buddy's actually used to show me his new vehicle he just bought. He posted it in the Discord and just to keep up with us, just to show him how he's doing. So he uses it for like picture sending and stuff like that. You can send pictures, you can send text messages, you can talk to people. I normally just use it to talk to people that I'm gaming with on some of the games I play. We'll all join the same channel and we'll all start talking and join up each other's lobbies and play video games together. Easy to use. People can join from their phone if they just want to talk while other people are gaming, whatever. It's super easy and it's free. That's the most important part why I want to recommend it is because it's free. So I'm going to disconnect. That's pretty much the basics of it. There's different text channels, there's different music you can listen to, different text people have sent, stuff like that. Alright, after I'm done, that's pretty much the basics on using it. And I can, as I said, this is the channel I was in. If I want to go back to the Fantasy Football channel, I just click on it and here I am. I can change to Fantasy Football. I can change to votes if people wanted to vote. I can change to anything I want. And it's very easy to keep up with people like this. I could just send a message and each one of these people received it without clogging up your phone text messages or anything like that. Super easy, super convenient. I love this app. So now that I've shown you pretty much a little basic tutorial on how to use it, I can show you guys some Apple reviews. So if I go here, here's Discord. It is available on many apps. It's available on phones, consoles, computers. This one is actually, I don't know if you noticed, it's number 5 in social networking, which is incredibly hard to do. This is on the app. This is according to Apple and Apple's App Store. It is very high up there and highly recommended by a lot of people. So it gets 4.7 stars out of 5 out of 3 million ratings, which is hard to do, hard to beat. So I will show you guys some reviews. So this one says, I use Discord every day, and I believe Discord is one of the best apps to text, talk, and video call on. But this person also mentions there's a lot of bugs, which I have heard there's a lot of bugs. I personally haven't experienced any bugs with the app on using it on my computer. It seems to work pretty really good. I have decent, as long as you have decent internet connection, because you have to have internet connection in order for Discord to work. You don't even have to have cellular service or anything like that. If you're on the Wi-Fi somewhere, you can actually use Discord to talk to your friends. Your kids could use it. I'm pretty sure it's recommended age 13 and up, because let's see, another main con with the app is that there's privacy issues. You could you're There's no, like, it's hard to manage what people can see your account and who can you can it's all up to the user on who you speak to. If you don't want to join weird, right, you don't want to, there's a lot of random people on the app, and you want to make your good judgments and make sure you're not just, I only talk to friends. I only talk to people that I know. I don't talk to random people. I only use it to let major, like, content creators mention what's going on in a certain video game, or if there's any, like, a new, like, media or news going on in a video game. So I only use it strictly just to speak to friends. I don't speak to random people on the app. So make sure there have been people that have their privacy has been confiscated. People can actually grab your IP address whenever you join a channel, and they can kind of get an idea of where you're located. That's a con. The other con was bugs, but I've never really experienced much any bugs. My app works great. I've never had any problems with it. And so a lot of people, and there's a lot of negative reviews here, but if you can see, it's 4.7 out of 5. That is incredibly hard to do. It's number 5 on the App Store for a reason. It is a great app, and it's free. That's some. I will reiterate again. It is free for anyone to download and use, and to speak to their friends. So, give me one sec. So I will get back into the pros of the app. Pros: it is free to download, like I've said, mentioned multiple times. You can make servers. The servers are free to make. You don't have to spend a single dollar to use this app to speak to people, to anything. You can speak as long as you want. It's a So you can post pictures and text chats. You can post text messages so that in case someone's not there, you want to leave them a message that they can read later on. It's very simple, very convenient, very easy to use. And so in the cons, I've got the random bugs I spoke about. And another con I would say is you have to be somewhat computer savvy to fully understand the nuances of the app. Meaning, like, if you have a computer, there's a lot of settings that go into, like, setting up your mic, making sure that people can hear you, making sure that you can hear them. It can be a little annoying, but if you're savvy with computers, it'll take less than a minute to figure out. Other than that, that's my app. I hope y'all download it, use it. It's a great app. It's free. Y'all should use it. Thank you, and goodbye.